Take a ride in the 2017 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power sunroof, heated seats, stability control, alloy wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, clock. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.